Quick tips from Camera Clips. I think you're going to like these. There's going to be like 3-4 minute long videos that we're going to do. We're going to knock out some really cool things so you can do portraits in a nice small home studio, which most of us have to work with. So, let's make the most of it. Let's use how to use 1 light, 2 light, 3 light, 4 lights, do some light painting, do all different kinds of things. But stay tuned to the channel. We got some cool stuff coming your way. Up next, let's do this thing. 1, 2, 3 main lights, flash. We have an overhead light, but we usually don't use it. And we have a ring light up here. In this video, though, this is a 1 light session that we're going to do. You're going to see just how cool of an effect it's going to do. So what we're going to do is we have the lovely Melissa here. She's going to just sit right here. This light is going to shine down in front. It's not really going to shine on her because we don't want any hot spots, and it's going to create this nice even look. And we have a reflector down here, and it's going to bounce some of the light back up, so it's diffusing it even more. It's going to create this really cool effect. So let's see what we got, shall we? Okay, so we're going to turn this light off, have this one on. Let's turn the main light off. Check out the effect that it creates. See that right there? Okay. So let's just zoom in here right on those eyeballs. Alright. Let's go in just a little bit closer. Let's get a headshot. Okay. So, you will see those images right now. Tell me what you think. Next time, we're just going to do another 1 light, but a ring light. Stay tuned.